Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Hezekiah Walker's God Favored Me. The song is going to start off in D natural, then it's going to modulate to E major, then going to end off in F sharp. So it's a fairly simple song, very recognizable chord progression. So let's go through it just in case you're not familiar with playing in the key of D or E, like most gospel musicians. Okay, so we're going to start off by playing just a D chord. And then we're going to basically play a D major. And you're going to be going down some of the chords in the scale. I'm playing it in block chords, but it's a nice easy way to keep the melody in there and let the sound still stay pretty rich. So let's do that's the melody. So what I like to do, again, play a chord in between the melody. All while holding D in the bass. So again, D major, E minor, D major, A major, D major, to G. Then G. Then we start the song. Again, you can play that in just melody, or you can play the chords like I just did. Okay, so let's start the song. This So you're basically playing a D chord to a G chord with adding a melody. Is felt most when it's genuine. Again. Can do those. Okay. And then we go. Couldn't draw over me. Okay, so that was a little bit of the chords of the first verse. Let me go through that again. So, love is patient and love is kind. Love is felt most when it's genuine. Okay, so here we go. For it's a D over A. I, that's G diminished 7. Then we go to an F sharp major 7. Then G major 7, quickly to a B minor 7, then an E minor 9. Okay. So we go back to the same chord again. So now it's F sharp minor 7, a quick passing chord on D 13 flat 9 to G major 7, B minor 7. Okay, and then we go to A9 sus, which is a G over an A. To the 1. 2 chord. That's the 3 chord, F sharp minor 7. 4 chord. Adding the melody in there is F sharp minor 7, B minor 7, then try over me. So then it's a B minor 7. So you hear this lick here. Okay. Then an F minor 7 to B minor 7, E minor, A flat 7, then a D. Okay, so let me play it at full speed so you can see it in context. This kind for I know. Okay, so those are the chords in the verses. Then the next section is going to be they whispered, conspired, they told their lies, God favors me. So you're going to be going from the 4. I like to play a G major 9, a 3 as an F sharp minor 7, an E minor 7, and I like to add some of these notes to give it a little color. So that's E minor 11. Then we go to an A 9 sus 4, and then to the 1. We walk up and repeat. They told their lies, God favored me. Then the next time, when you go to G, we're just going to add a passing chord. When you go to the F sharp minor 7, go to B minor really quick, then go to E minor. God favored me. Play it a little higher up, same thing. Okay, and then we're going to change keys by going to the 5 of the next key, which is going to be B, because we're going to E major. And then we start the same progression we just played, but in E major. basically you're going to be playing an A chord to an A flat minor, minor 7, to an F sharp minor 7, then to the B9 sus4, which is that A chord on top of B, and to the 1, which is E major. It favored me. I added that passing chord to C sharp or D flat minor. See, passing chord. And then, after we've gone through E, I believe it's Marvin Sapp singing, and then we're going to go to D flat by going to the 5 of D flat. No, I'm sorry, we're going to F sharp. We're going to F sharp, and we're going to go to the 5, which is D flat. So I like to play the 9 sus4 voicing, which is a B major on top of D flat. And then we go to the 1. So the 4, 3, 2, 5, 1. Oh, till I got favored me. And it's the same progression right there. So, say yes, yeah, yes. Okay, and that is pretty much the whole song.